Hi, this is Matt from GravityWiz. Today we're looking at how to create product order forms with stock management using Gravity Forms and GP Inventory. The first thing we need to do is ensure GP Inventory is installed and activated in Spellbook. Now that's done, let's head over to our form. We've already got a few fields on our form asking for the customer's details. Now we need to add some product fields so users can actually purchase something. In this case, I'm selling Wizarding supplies. I'll go ahead and add a product field for a wand and another for a spellbook. Let's also give them both a price. Now, in my little shop, I only have 3 wands in stock and 5 spellbooks. I need to prevent more being ordered than what I have. To do that, we'll head over to the first field and scroll down to the Perks tab. Here we can enable Simple Inventory. We can then add our inventory level under this setting. So here I'll add my 3 wands. Let's also enable the Show Available Inventory setting, so users can see exactly how many we have in stock on the form. We'll do the same for our spellbook field. Now that's done, let's save the form and see how it behaves. You'll see the available inventory is showing underneath each field because we enabled the Show Available Inventory setting. The wording can be customised in the settings, but you can see that we have 3 wands and 5 spellbooks, just like we set. Let's fill in the form and purchase a wand and a spellbook. Now let's refresh the form. You'll see there are now only 2 wands and 4 spellbooks available. Let's purchase the last 2 wands, but this time we won't purchase any spellbooks. Now when we go back to the form again, we can't purchase any more wands because we're out of stock. GP Inventory doesn't just work with single product fields, it also works with choice-based product fields. Let's add another product field to the form and set its type to radio. We'll use this field to sell wizard robes. We have 3 sizes: small, medium and large. We'll also give each of these a price. Just like the other product fields, under the Perks tab we can enable Simple Inventory. I'll also enable the Show Available Inventory setting. Now, because this is a choice-based field, we need to set the inventory levels on the choices themselves, so we'll head back to the General tab and edit choices. You'll see we now have an additional column here to enter the inventory. In this case, I have 1 small, 2 mediums and 2 large. Let's save the form again and see how it works this time. You can see the inventory levels that we set next to each choice. I'll go ahead and purchase the last small robe. Now when we refresh the form again, we can no longer select the small robe because it's out of stock. Now, you might be wondering what happens when you get more stock in. Well, it's as simple as going back to the form editor and changing the inventory there. The inventory in the form editor will always show the quantity in stock. Let's take a look at spellbooks. We initially had an inventory of 5 and we sold 1, so our current inventory is 4. Let's say we take a delivery of 5 more spellbooks. We'll take our current inventory, add the new stock, which will give us a total of 9. Let's save the form and take one last look at how it works. You'll see now we have 9 spellbooks in stock. I hope this video has been helpful in learning how to create product ordering forms with stock management using Gravity Forms and Gravity Perks Inventory. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please reach out to support, where one of our support wizards will be more than happy to help.